Okay, real talk. If you've ever owned a dog, you know the feeding struggle is real. I mean, I can't even tell you how many times I've been running late or stuck in traffic and suddenly thought, oh, wait, did I feed the dog? Don't even get me started on the power cords. My dog just sees them as chew toys and they just limit where I can even put the thing. Plus, anytime I have to leave town for a couple of days, I either have to line up a dog sitter or just stress the whole time about whether they're eating right. So I got my hands on this smart feeder from oneisall. It's the F1W cordless pet feeder and it has Wi-Fi. We're gonna get into that. If you've never had a smart pet feeder, honestly, they are a game changer. So as they say, it really transforms how you pet. First thing I noticed, no cords. Seriously, that alone makes a huge difference. I can put it wherever makes sense, on the floor in the kitchen, in the laundry room, even in the corner of the living room. No outlet, no problem. And nothing for my dog to chew on. And the smart feeding schedule is clutch. You can use the app and just press a button manually and it'll automatically drop a perfect amount of food at the exact time that you set. I've got mine set for the morning and early evening, and it's so nice knowing I don't have to rush home just to make sure my dog's fed. So here's what shocked me though, it's cordless. Battery lasts up to 100 days. 100 days. And it's even got the battery level right here on the display, so you always know when it's time to recharge. I haven't had to worry about that so far, and honestly, that's like a big issue with the feeders I've tried. Also, if your dog eats larger kibble, you're gonna love this. The design is totally jam-free, even with big pieces, actually up to 18 millimeters. I did test it with regular size kibble, never clogs or stalls, it's just smooth every time. So here's something I didn't realize was a big deal until I saw it. It actually keeps your food fresh. There's no stale smell, no weird crusty bits sitting there. Every meal is fresh and ready. Trust me, my dog notices the difference. So yeah, I never thought I'd be this excited about a dog feeder, but honestly, it just makes life easier for both of us, really. So if you're looking for a smart, stress-free way to feed your dog, the oneisall called the Smart Pet Feeder is absolutely worth checking out. We are going to leave a link in the description. Please comment below what you thought the best feature was. Hit that like button, share this with a friend that you think may need this in their life, and of course hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this.